Logistics is key in the retail business. DSV has partnered with SSI Schaefer to help strengthen the e-commerce efficiency with their retail clients. Today I'm here with Rob Chinona, the Managing Director at DSV Solutions. Rob, you have a well-run facility here. Tell me how you do it.
We do it through the engagement of employees across all the different departments and a very strict adherence to lean management and Six Sigma, ensuring that everything we do is operated flawlessly.
So tell me how DSV is different from other third-party logistics.
We're different because we take innovation seriously. Innovation at DSV resides at the highest levels within the company, where we have a formal governance structure that looks at all potential innovation concepts. We track, assess, test, and adopt several projects on an ongoing basis. The SSI pouch sorter is part of the DSV innovation roadmap, and we're implementing it now for the first time in Canada.
So how did SSI Schaefer help with innovation?
Well, we had a number of significant challenges that Schaefer was able to help us overcome. The main challenge was keeping up with the capacity of our clients' e-com growth. The pouch sorter was the solution to develop that capacity. But in addition to the actual solution was how we implemented it. Working with Schaefer, we were able to overcome some other challenges. The biggest challenge for us was how to manage the exponential e-com growth of our customers. The pouch sorter gave us the capacity to cope with this growth, as well as the massive spikes in volume during their promotional periods in a year. The custom designed solution that we envisioned had to fit and be implemented within the constraints of an existing live operation. The WEASELs are a great addition to helping us work within those constraints. Another significant challenge was introducing change management to the DSV workforce as we migrated from the old system to the new system. To do this, we brought in a test WEASEL at the very early stages of the project to get our employees familiar and comfortable with this new automation. We even nicknamed the first WEASEL Choo Choo.
I'm here with Barak Belki, the Senior Manager of Engineering. Barak, tell me more about the technical aspect. How does it all work?
The process starts with picking. Orders are manually batch picked into Schaefer totes by the pickers in designated zones in the warehouse. The completed totes are dropped at the WEASEL transfer stations. The WEASEL then transports the tote to the induction station where the products are inducted into the pouch sorter. At the induction station, the system presents an open pouch to the operator. Products are scanned individually and dropped into the pouch. Each station is equipped with a light curtain, which detects if the product is placed in the pouch. The pouch is then moved to the batch buffer, where the pouches are staged, waiting for the entire batch to be inducted. The entire batch is then moved to the matrix sorter, where the orders will be sorted and sequenced before being released to the packout station.
The last step is packing. Completed e-com orders are arriving to the pack stations, and here packers are taking the pieces outside of the pouches and placing them in the shipping boxes. And after that, the conveyor is taking them to the docks to be shipped physically.